Today's educational protocol for round 95 due to let's start with a problem. So in a problem you have to make the torch. One torch cost S sticks and Y stick. Okay. Hmm. So one of X. Okay. From one we can max X. So at one stage we can make X minus one in one step. Okay. Mhm. And how much we can make y, and from stick we can make coal 1. Okay, so we have to find minimum number. Okay, minimum number of trades, so at least k courses. So initially we have one uh, one, it is one stick. Okay, so we have one stick, so we have to make k coal. K coal K coal means we have to minimize it, so we can make as coal, as it is k. Okay, yeah, we make k coals. Okay, because we need k torches, so k for one torch is at least one coal and one stick will be required. Okay, so number of stick required, first we have to number of sticks. Number of stick s, let's say x, is equal to, for coal we need k coal, and for one it is y. So this is stick for coal, plus for sticks, how many there are sticks in one, we have to need k sticks by x minus 1 minus 1. Oh, so you see how it is come like this. Okay, because we have to make a minimum, we have to require the minimum, so minimum is k stick we have to make. Okay, we need k sticks to make k torches. So for one, at least one is required, so we need minimum k sticks, and initially we have one, and in one case we can make x minus 1. So how much we require? K minus 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, 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 then this will be whole this. Okay, number of sticks will be required k minus 1 plus k minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. Now in this case, if like something like that, uh, this will become out integer. If answer will be 2.1, so x will be 2, but so for the minimum we have to require 3. Why 3? Because in 2 we can't make the whole thing, so we need point 1. For point 1 we can't take point 1, we have to take one more. Okay, so let's see what is the code for this. My submit, we require this much of sticks. Okay, this much of stick. So this is how can we say that, like k, this is k into y plus k, minus 1 plus x minus 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1. This is the answer. So k into y, k into y sticks are required for making k coal, k coal. Okay, for making k coal, and we have how many, so this number of sticks we require for making k coal, and we need for k sticks k, and one is we have initial 1 plus x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, you can understand up to here, so this will be required. Okay, now what we have to do is we need we divide by k minus 1, because in one step we can increase our stick by k minus 1. like if this this part, if we call like this part is A and this part is B. Okay, if this part is A is like 3 and this is 2, x minus 1, so our answer will be 1. But this is will be wrong answer because our correct answer will be 1.5, and this is in type, so on this will give us a 1, but we require 1.5. so if we add x minus, this is the x minus 1, the x minus 1 2, if and minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to this x minus 1 and minus 1, x minus 1 is 2 and minus 1 is 1. So if we require this one, then how much is 1 plus 1? So x plus 1 by 4 by 2 is equal to answer 2. If it can't change our answer, if it is like if it is 2, like 2 plus 1 by 2, then answer will be 2. Okay, so it can't change our this can't change our answer, but it can manipulate. If it is a decimal point, then it will convert into the whole number or whole number. Okay, yeah, this will be the answer. And this number here, so this number of this will be required for the making x, total number of required for making the sticks. Now we have total number of sticks, but now we can make number of sticks. Okay, now we have to convert the number of sticks into uh, coal. So for how many coal we required? K. So number of this is we have to add k also. This is the k, maybe you can't see, so see here, this will be the k. Okay, this is we first convert in all how much we require in the we require sticks. So for these sticks we need this number of operation, and then we convert the sticks into k. So this will be our answer, simple and quite question. Okay, thank you.